Okay, if you want to use the new Bing, right now there's a wait list. And the quickest way to get on the wait list is through the Bing app on Android. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's real simple. Give it a look. The first thing you need to do is open the Bing app. So my Bing app is in a folder here on my desktop called Microsoft. So I'm going to navigate to there first. Next, I'll open the Bing app. Then you may see a little pop-up that says the new Bing Learn More. Now, I found it as one of the first items in the list, and you'll see an option there that says join the wait list. Select join the wait list. Now, as you can see, I am already on the list. Okay, that's it. Pretty simple. Let me know when you get on. Enjoy.